Does Google Workspace have a version of Trello for project management? Not really, but you can import your Trello boards into Kanbanchi. Just export your Trello board in JSON format and click on the arrow next to Create Board in Kanbanchi. Click on Import Board and then import your Trello board in JSON format. Just like that, you have your boards in Kanbanchi and can start to use the app right away. Kanbanchi is a task and project management tool designed for Google Workspace companies. It integrates seamlessly with Google software like Drive, Calendar, and Gmail. You can easily attach documents from your Drive to your task cards, synchronize your task starts and end dates to your Google Calendar, and turn your emails into tasks in one click with the Gmail add-on. On top of that, your boards are stored in your Google Drive, so there's no need to worry about your data security. Kanbanchi also has a Gantt chart so managers can always know how projects are progressing, a time tracker so that you can monitor time spent on each task, and a reporting feature so you can visualize your team's performance. Get Kanbanchi, the only task and project management app designed for Google Workspace.